Hello students, we are doing the second question of exercise 9.3 of your NCERT textbook. The question says, find the 12th term of a GP. You have to find the 12th term of GP whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. इतनी चीजें आपको दी हुई. Now we know that T8 is equal to a r to the power of 8 minus 1 or a r to the power of 7. Values put करते हैं. 192 equals to a into 2 to the power of 7. Now 2 to the power of 7 is 128. So 192 is equals to a into 128 or a equals to 192 upon 128, which on simplification gives 3 by 2. 64 3s are 192 and 64 2s are 128. So a equals to 3 by 2. अब a मिल गया, r मिल गया, 12th टर्म निकालना था, आसान काम हो गया. T12 is equals to a r to the power of 11, which is 3 by 2 into 2 to the power of 11. Simplify कर लेते हैं. 3 into 2 to the power of 10 and 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. 3 times 1024 is 3072. आपको T12 फाइंड करना था. T12 is equal to 3072. Hope the solution is clear to you. For more such videos, stay tuned. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.